Bro, I am so excited to be doing this unboxing video. I just bought myself a Canon EOS M50, a Rode mic to go with it, and I'm ready to step up my YouTube game. So stay tuned because I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and testing out all this gear and comparing it to my iPhone setup and just doing some stress testing. So all of that is coming up. So guys, I just really wanted to step up my YouTube game. I wanted to improve my production quality, so I've been filming my videos on my iPhone, but I just wanted something that could help me create professional videos, step up my video quality, my audio quality, and just make me feel good about creating amazing content for you guys. So that's the reasons why I wanted to get this camera, but I didn't want to break the bank. So I don't want to spend £2,000, £3,000 on a camera. I just think right now it's super unnecessary. So I bought the camera for £650 from Amazon, and I bought the mic for £50 as well. I'm the type of person that if I want something, I just want it now. So Amazon Prime is ideal. So I'll link it in the description if you guys want to get my gear, so check it out. I've been reading lots of reviews, and this camera for my budget has always just come on top. I think this camera is the perfect 2020 vlogging camera, beginner's YouTube camera. It's got it all. It's got everything, and it's not gonna break the bank, which is the most important thing for me anyway. And I'm gonna be testing out all the different scenarios. I'm super excited to start filming. Let's get into the unboxing. So it comes with a charger, the body of the camera is a strap just to make sure it doesn't fall. I think that's quite a nice little touch from Canon. Thank you, Canon. I'm probably going to be using that, knowing my clumsiness. It also comes with one battery, which is a little bit annoying just because if the battery runs out and I need to continue filming, I'm probably going to get another battery, but that's just something that I think, sorry, there's drama happening on my road. So that's the only annoying thing about that. And it also comes with a lens. So the one I bought from Amazon comes with a 15 to 45mm lens. I think for the purpose of what I want to do, vlogging, YouTube, I think this lens is fine for now. And when I want to increase my depth of field, I can then invest in lenses. But lenses are really expensive. They can be as expensive as the camera itself. So I just wanted to get like the basic lens that it comes with and then go from there. So it has a flip out lens, which is amazing. Me filming on iPhone, it was so excruciating. I'd have to do like 1,000 shots just to make sure I'm in frame, making sure that the video is shooting correctly. So it's nice just to be able to look at myself on the side there. I don't know if you guys can see, so right now I'm looking into the lens and now I'm looking to the flip out on the side. I don't know if there's any difference. It's good that it's on the side just because if I wanted to put a mic, which is something that I do want to do, which I'm gonna do. So the Rode mic will be able to go on top, which is this little top piece over here that slides out. So it has the ability for you to put an external mic on, and this is where the Rode mic's gonna go. So next, let me unbox the Rode mic. It comes with a mic and it's batteryless, so you can literally plug it in and it uses the external mic of the camera. So it's really easy to assemble. I put the lens on, click the button to zoom in and out until I hear the click, and then the lens is all nice and secure. Then I twisted the mic just to allow it to slide into the camera, slid it in, then tightened the screw, got the plug, plugged it in to the back, plugged it into the camera, and now I'm good to go. And I found it super easy. It was a lot of clicks, clocks and clicks, a lot of plugins. But now it's time for the fun part. It's time for me to test it and use the camera. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna be now testing out the camera. It's actually really lightweight. I love the fact that I can see myself. I can just double check to see if my hair is out of place or if there's anything in the shot that I want to include, like this beautiful mirror. Ooh, look at that. Let's test the zoom on the mirror. Ding, 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 ding. That's supposed to be alien music if you didn't get that from my amazing singing. So I'm gonna check the image stabilization. So I'm gonna move about and just like move the camera, I don't know why I'm moving myself. If I'm just like moving it around, I think it's so smooth. Like, that's amazing. Look at this image stabilization, that's sick. So it also shoots in 4K. So right now I'm in 1080p. Let's see what it looks like in 4K. Okay, so this is 4K shooting, and the depth of field, I don't even know if that's the correct, oh, okay, there we go. So it's quite cut off, but I think the quality has drastically improved. I think the problem with 4K is that you'll need to get a lens that allows you to shoot a wider shot, but for what I want to do, I think it's actually fine. I'm just gonna put you guys down. Hi. Oh, face tracking, autofocus. I think if I had you further out, like, it's not terrible, but it's just like a very close-up shot. But the quality is amazing. I'm gonna try out the zoom. That's pretty cool. So this is it in 4K, with the full shebang. I feel like even the quality of 1080p was amazing. So I'm gonna try the audio quality now. So right now I've got the mic plugged in. So let's try without the mic. Hi, this is without the mic. And I think the audio quality will be pretty similar, but just a touch better with the mic. I feel like maybe now you guys can probably hear a lot more background noises, just because I live on a busy road, so I feel like that would be picked up more by the camera, but again, I don't know until I review the footage. So it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, but I normally just use the SD card, so I just bought an SD card from Amazon again, which I'll link in the description if you want to get it. I just picked the cheapest, biggest SD card, 128 megabyte, and I just take it and put it into my laptop, which seems to be fine. But if you wanted to, you can use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to connect to your camera to upload videos or pictures. This is supposed to have good low light performance, so I'm gonna step away from my light setup. This is my ring light, which I bought when I first began. This is a studio light. One of my friends who's a YouTuber, oh, this is out of focus. He gifted me this studio light, which he no longer used. Photo Cell is the light, and it's absolutely amazing. So I'll link it in the description as well if you want to get this. So this is the tripod that I'm using. I literally love it. Like, it's actually so good, and it's Amazon Basic. I'm a basic girl. I'm all for it. Saving a couple of pounds here and there for, you know, and it's actually so sturdy, and it goes up to 60 inches. It swivels. This is an upgrade. I'll show you my tripod, which was literally the same price, which I'm so gutted that I bought because I feel like it was a bit of a waste of money, and it's so flimsy, and it's just for phones, so it doesn't support a camera. But I'll link this one in the description if you guys want to get it. So I've moved away from my studio light setup, and this is kind of low light, and I feel like still like it's picking up my face. Autofocus, which is amazing. I like don't have to even touch it, and I feel like it's actually okay for low light. Like, it's not terrible. Let's go somewhere darker. Okay, no. It's not actually, well, yeah, it's dark. It's so dark out here, and it's still picking up my face, which is pretty sick. I come in, when I first go into the light, it's obviously very, very bright, and then super quick to auto correct, which is great. Let's try that again. So this is first stepping into the light, obviously very, very bright, and then it auto corrects almost instantaneously. And you guys can't see, but I can definitely see it's tracking my face throughout, which is pretty cool. What I have noticed with this camera is that if you want to switch from, for the display, flipping out to the side to twisting it the other way so you can film like this, for example. Because if you have an external mic, you'll need to take the external mic out and then flip it, because it just blocks it from twisting. So that was the only kind of issue, but it's not really that big of a deal, but just something that you guys should know. I think it's amazing, 24.1 megapixels. You cannot go wrong, darlings. This is the camera to have in 2020.
Round one, fight!
But that is basically it. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing, this review. So excited to continue my YouTube journey with this camera. He's like my new friend. Love it. I might call him I'm gonna call him Buddy. Buddy is shooting right now. It's lights, cameras, action. Okay, sorry, I'm rambling, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, do hit that subscribe button. I'm just excited for the future, and I hope you guys can join me on my journey to growing my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button, and I would love if you guys could smash that like button. It will help me so much. It helps small YouTubers like myself. I would appreciate it so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys who have subscribed. And yeah, until next time.